How to set up business email with GoDaddy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up a professional business email using GoDaddy. If you just bought a domain or already have one, having a custom email like yourname@yourdomain.com makes you look way more credible, especially for clients or customers. It's also a crucial step in building a strong online brand. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process, and by the end of the video, you'll have your business email fully set up and ready to go. And so, why do you want to go ahead and set up a business email with GoDaddy? Now, let's quickly go over why you need to go ahead and do this. First, it enhances trust. No more using at Gmail or at Yahoo for business purposes. Secondly, it helps with branding. Your domain becomes a part of your communication. And finally, using GoDaddy makes things easier, especially if your domain is already registered there. They offer seamless integration with Microsoft 365 and a user-friendly dashboard for managing your email accounts. Before we get started, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's head over on how you can set it up. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to GoDaddy, and simply once inside, you can just click on the sign in button. From here, you then want to sign in your GoDaddy account, and it will then take you to your dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, you then want to find the domain that you want to use for email and click on it. Right after clicking on it, you want to scroll down to the email and office section. If you haven't purchased an email plan yet, you want to click on the Add Email option and choose a Microsoft 365 plan that fits your needs. If you already have a plan, you then want to click up the setup to your next subscription. Basically, right after that, we then have to enter or create our email address. Now, you want to enter the email address that you want to go ahead and create, like hello@yourdomain.com or info@yourbrand.com.org or whatever you want to. You then want to choose a strong password and confirm it. You then want to assign the email to your domain and click create. GoDaddy will start provisioning your emails. This can take a few minutes. And so after the setup is complete, you'll get access details via email or your dashboard. You'll have to click on Go to Email to open your mailbox. GoDaddy uses Microsoft Outlook Webmail by default, so your email interface will be very familiar if you've used Outlook before. You can also configure the email to your desktop Outlook application or mobile devices. GoDaddy gives full instructions for both. You also want to set up a DNS if your domain is from another provider. Now, if your domain is not hosted with GoDaddy, you'll need to update your DNS records manually. To do this, it's extremely simple. You just have to go to your domain provider's DNS settings. You can then add the MX, CNAME, and TXT records that GoDaddy provides during setup. You want to save your changes and allow time for the DNS propagation. This can usually take up to 48 hours, but usually much faster. This step is crucial to ensure your email delivers and receives properly. From there, you then want to test your new email. Once the setup is complete and the DNS records have been propagated, you want to send an email to and from your email address or your new email address. You then want to check if it lands in the inbox correctly and reply to verify that everything is working both ways. Right after, GoDaddy's email hosting includes security features like spam filters and encryption, so you can also set up email forwarding if you want messages sent to this address to land in another inbox. You can then create aliases like support@ or contact@ that points to your main email address. You want to enable two-step verification for your added security account. And so, as an additional tip, you can also sync with your mobile device or email client. First things first, you want to go through the access on your business email. You then want to go through your phone's mail settings, choose Add Account and select Outlook or Exchange. Enter your new email and password, follow the prompts, and you're all set. You can also connect your email with Gmail or Outlook desktop using IMAP/POP settings provided by GoDaddy. And to go ahead and give you some tips for managing your business email, you want to label your emails using folders for different clients or departments. You want to use auto replies for vacation or business hours. You want to consider adding your email signature to all messages. It can make you go ahead and look even more professional. And lastly, GoDaddy offers collaboration tools with Microsoft 365 so you can sync calendars, share files, and use Microsoft Teams for your meetings. And so let's go ahead and talk about the pricing for our business email right here. The domain-based email that helps you build your brands and show the world you mean business is the individual plan. It's for people who are getting started. Basically, the price for the first time buying the individual plan is going to be around $50 per month. Now, this includes 10 gigabytes email storage for approximately 50,000 emails. You can then use your domain name for your email address like you@yourdomain.com. Now for teams, it's for growing businesses. Now, this is great for collaboration with everyone on your team. With this specific plan, it will cost you around $2 per month. Now with this plan, this includes 30 gigabytes of email storage, approximately 150,000 emails. You can then use your domain name for your email address like on the individual. But with this one, we have added features like share calendars and contacts with your team, and lastly, assign tasks to your team members. And basically, these plans right here can go even lower if you avail their plan annually, which will save you a lot of money in the long run. And so, there you have it. Your professional business email is now up and running with GoDaddy. This small investment goes a long way in building trust and credibility for your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss future business tech guides. Once again, it's as easy as navigating through your own dashboard. Click on the email option, and from there you then want to basically enter the email address that you want to put on your business email. And so, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.